Hey everyone, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how you can translate your Shopify store. Having a multilingual Shopify store allows tapping into growing international revenue most businesses completely ignore simply by only supporting English natively. So no more leaving easy money on the table for non-native English speakers, which will soon represent over 80% of all global e-commerce. So stay tuned as we dive deeper into the topic and I show you exactly how you can translate your Shopify store using a smart application. So why should you even care about translating your Shopify site's experience beyond only English? Well, while America and native English-speaking regions represent massive opportunities, global e-commerce topped an astonishing $3 trillion in 2021 across broader demographics. And analysts predict that over 25% annual expansion in international e-commerce thanks to developing regions, gaining internet access and adoption on an immense scale. And that means prioritizing only English-speaking audiences essentially forfeits up to 80% of total e-commerce potential as the web globalizes. Over 70% of worldwide online shoppers say that they'd be more likely to purchase from sites supporting their native dialects. So with minor upfront effort, you enable tapping into tremendously more revenue abroad. Localization pays dividends through improved discoverability, higher engagement, and reduced uncertainty, minimizing the checkout drop-off. And now that we know the importance of having a multilingual Shopify store, let's see how we can set this one up. The fastest and most convenient plug-and-play route is using a turnkey application called Weglot for automating multilingual support. So browse the Shopify App Store and look for the Weglot translator, and then install the application into your Shopify store. Now, of course, the application comes in with a free plan that allows you to get up to 1 translated language and up to 2,000 translated words for free. If you're convinced that having a multilingual Shopify store will be a big advantage for you, then feel free to check out their plans. They have multiple plans that start at $15 per month, or you can get the business plan for $21 a month that allows you to get 3 translated languages onto your store and up to 50,000 translated words. Now, when you first launch the application, you will be on board by creating an account and choosing default languages. Your default tongue is likely your native language that most existing content lives in today, and for many business owners that's English. And then you can enable additional languages that you wish to translate pages into. I'd suggest starting with 1 or 2 popular options in your key target expansion countries. So for me, after English, I will enable German, as this language would open substantial markets in Europe and abroad. And with the setup complete, Weglot's AI instantly translates all of the visible text dynamically into your enabled languages. And before you can go live with the translations, let's check out some cool configuration options determining how this functionality actually works. You can head over to the Manage Appearance section, which allows styling the language selector module that visitors use to toggle translations in your storefront header or footer, toggle flags or full language names, order priority, drop-down versus button representation, all customizable here to match your branding. And this helps local languages feel like a natural integrated piece of the store versus tacked-on functionality. And this comes in huge for seamless user experience. Under the Manage Order switch, you can enable auto-redirecting visitors to their detected browser language if you offer it. So in my case, Germans hit German store by default. And the exclude from translation tools allow marking certain pages or content blocks that should not get adapted regionally. So as you can see, there's a lot of flexibility catering localization to your preferences. Now, Weglot instantly publishes translated pages with its AI engine, but machines still have some kind of quirks. For the best customer experience, languages do require some human touching up, catching nuances algorithms miss. So under Edit My Translations, Weglot enables smoothly making edits across languages visually or via spreadsheet. So if you speak the language or know some professional translators to review the AI output, fixing odd phrasings, and this refinement safeguards against awkward machine translation, turning visitors off while allowing bulk automation doing the heavy lifting. So I normally prioritize languages demonstrating the highest traction for manual QA while letting the automation handle lower priority ones. And that will be all on how you can translate your Shopify store using Weglot's powerful tool. Thank you for watching this video. Let us know if you have any other questions by leaving them in the comment section down below. And if you enjoyed today's video, then give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you don't miss out on any follow-up content that we can make related to this one.